Are you looking for the best beginner camera in 2022? In this video, we'll break down the top 3 beginner cameras on the market this year, based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for the best camera to get started with filming YouTube videos, or taking photos, or anything in between, stay tuned. We'll have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the Canon M50 Mark II, our pick for best overall beginner camera. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II builds on its success with the original M50 and is an attractive option for beginners. This entry-level APS-C camera delivers great image quality and is both compact and portable. The hand grip is pretty simple and is wrapped in soft leatherette for good comfort. This camera comes complete with an EFM 15-45mm IS STM lens kit, but is compatible with many EFM mount lenses. You can avoid the mount and go with a camera like the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 coming up later in the video, although the mount adapter really isn't a big deal. A fully articulating LCD touchscreen gives you access to all the controls you need, including a movie self-timer that gives you between 2 to 10 seconds to set up your shot before the camera starts to record. Eye detect autofocus is also in place, as is the ability to shoot vertical videos that are specially formatted for social media platforms, and you can even live stream to YouTube directly from the camera. The 24-megapixel sensor offers a solid foundation for taking some great shots, and you'll appreciate the overall ease of use and built-in flash. The M50 Mark II has the automatic features you want, making it ideal if you're interested in pursuing photography as a hobby. The 4K video recording mode is a bit underwhelming though. The angle of view is cropped, so you'll need to use a wider lens, and dual-pixel autofocus is also disabled in this mode. Shooting in 1080p is a completely different story. The full width of the sensor is used, so you don't lose wide-angle coverage, and autofocus is fast and reliable. Digital stabilization is available too, and is suitable for handheld work. You can also push 1080p footage as high as 60 FPS, while you're limited to only 24 FPS at 4K. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a very easy-to-use camera, and a very good choice for beginner photographers and videographers alike. It's portable, produces good image quality, and features a guide mode that will walk you through the camera's settings and features whenever you need a little help. Next up, the Nikon D3500, our pick for best beginner camera for photography. The Nikon D3500 remains the best DSLR around for beginners looking to capture creative, manual photography with a traditional setup. This entry-level DSLR offers the kind of handling and value that mirrorless cameras struggle to match. The D3500 offers 3 significant advantages: superb battery life, great handling, and good value, because it's compatible with a huge range of native lenses that aren't new enough to demand high price tags like f-mount lenses from Nikon. The 24.2-megapixel APS-C DX sensor is coupled with an X-Speed image processing system that produces very good detail, color, and speed. On a full battery charge, you can expect to take up to 1,550 shots. To keep things interesting, this camera offers several shooting modes that include landscape, special effects, photo illustration, selective color mode, and more. When shooting video, you can capture from 24 to 60 FPS at 1080p, or 50 or 60 FPS at 720p. Whichever shooting mode you choose for video, you'll be able to record video files up to 4 GB, or about 30 minutes in length. There's no integrated Wi-Fi, but you do get Bluetooth and Nikon's SnapBridge app, and with it, you'll be able to transfer all your images to an external device and also trigger the shutter remotely using your smartphone. If you're new to photography, the Nikon D3500 is a great choice that delivers good value. It's simple to use and offers a good feature set, and its guide mode will help you along the way with settings and advice on composition to help you take better photos and learn more about photography in easy-to-understand, non-technical language. Last but not least, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, our pick for best beginner camera for video. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 features a mount that accepts an endless array of lenses, and its small size, battery life, and general performance are perfect for the beginner videographer. Whether you're capturing family memories or vlogging, you'll definitely appreciate the guidance that's built into the EOS Rebel SL3 that will coach you on photographic fundamentals like shutter speed, aperture settings, and depth of field that will keep you on the path of learning and make you a better photographer overall. High image quality is maintained by a 24.1-megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor that's backed with a Digic 8 image processor. And you'll get fast, accurate dual-pixel CMOS autofocus with eye detection, so you'll never lose a shot fumbling with controls. You can shoot 4K video at 30 or 60 FPS with a 4K time-lapse option, or you could shoot at 1080p at up to 60 FPS, and you'll be able to capture video files up to 30 minutes in length. The EOS Rebel SL3 uses the EFS lens mount, making it compatible with a greater number of lenses over the EFM mount of the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, including standard zoom, standard prime, wide-angle fisheye prime, macro prime, and a lot more. When shooting video, you'll find the side-hinged, fully articulated touchscreen and the 3.5mm mic input jack welcome additions. The screen can be positioned to any angle needed, or it can face forward for selfies and monitoring vlog shoots. You can also use it to scroll through menus, select settings, swipe through images in playback, and monitor in real time. If you're just getting started with shooting video, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is a great choice. It can shoot video in both 4K and 1080p, is compatible with a huge number of lenses, and its integrated help system is a handy guide for beginners. If you guys like this video or this video helped you, please give the video a like. Links to all the products mentioned are in the description below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.